How to download and install Vimeo application on your Android device, whether you are using a smartphone or tablet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. The first thing to do is to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and then launch open Google Play Store on your Android or tablets. Now, go ahead and get to the search bar at the bottom center and tap on it. In the search box appearing at the top, type in Vimeo and search. Look for the Vimeo application from Vimeo.com Inc. and tap on Install. After waiting for a couple of minutes, the application will be installed on your device. Once it's done with the installation, click on Open. Now you'll end up in the first home page of Vimeo. Go ahead and log into your existing account if you have one, or create a new account for you to explore the Vimeo homepage. So that's how you can easily download and install the Vimeo app on your smartphone or tablet. Once you create an account, you can explore videos, discover creators, and enjoy Vimeo anytime on the go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.